We're over here at the mall. I'm gonna look for, what is it called again, the shop?
DTLR.
DTLR?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go and see if we can find it.
So.
You can see, that looks pretty nice down here. That looks nice. There's a potluck over there. That looks pretty cool. 19 bucks. I'm not sure why he went over there. I'm not going over there.
I was trying to look for a big diamond chain. Just to see.
Oh, that looks nice. Let's go Rosedale Mall. See that? That looks pretty cool. It's like a star or something. 50% off. I guess you can call it Black Friday.
What?
Sales.
When is it Black Friday?
This Friday.
How do you know?
Because it's what it is. Anthropology.
Oh, what?
Interesting shop over there. That's Journeys. You want to check their shoes here or not? They have 70% off. Gonna check here and see if we might find something. I'm gonna look anyway. Gonna see what kind of shoes they have over here. That's Vikings.
They got a little puppy.
Look at that. They have a dinosaur too. And a little tiny
Puppy.
mechanical puppy. Looks nice. So there's a mall here. Just walking. I'm gonna go look for, oh, they have some art over here.
You know, the guy said they don't have a DTLR in this mall. I just wanted to look around. What?
They have JJ. See?
Huh?
So there's a mall, Rosedale, just walking. Many different shops here.
There's nothing over there.
We just walk all the way there and turn around.
I want to go because I have a headache.
Yeah, we're gonna leave. Let's turn around and go home.
I'll wait for you in there.
American Eagle store. They sell shoes over there too. Black Friday deals right there. And if you like massage, you can come over here, sit in one of these chairs and pay. I don't know how much, but there's the prices. 30 minutes, 10 bucks. You see there, you get a massage. There he is, going down. It's another store right there. They have T-Mobile. Gonna go down here. not going in there. Black Friday sales. We have Body Works over here. No, we're not going down that way. That's Body Works again. No, not yet. Not yet. Since you have a headache, we're gonna leave.
Can we go to DTLR?
He has that jersey already. We're gonna go find a store he's
See
looking
right here.
for.
I have it.
And we have.
I have it on.
He's wearing it right there.
Randy Moss's book.
All right. Thank you for joining us, and we're gonna go find the store he's looking for. It's not inside the mall. Give us a like, subscribe, peace out.